Brad Williams, Excel Primed. Show holiday names between dates. Text join. All right, we have a joined or a nested if function here. If B5 to B16, here we have dates. B5 to B16 is greater than F4, which is our first date. If B5, B16 is less than F5, then C5 to C16. In other words, grab everything if it's true. Otherwise, show me nothing. Once we have all that stuff, what are we going to do? We're going to use text join. Remember what text join does? Text join function in Excel is used to join text strings. Notice text strings for multiple cells with a specified delimiter. What's the delimiter? Well, in this case, it is right here. Right here, we have delimiter. Right here, it says delimiter. In order to insert and read the delimiter, we have to put quotes around it. True just represents ignore empty. So in other words, if we had an empty cell, it's going to say ignore it. Then we have this true, which is text. Oops, ignore empty, true. You can put in 1. 1 is true, 0 is false. It could be the other way around. It depends on what the application is. It says true here, and we know true in COUNTIF and SUMIF and what have you. 0, in some products, 0 is false and 1 is true. I think that still holds. And then we just have our text. Our text is this nested if statement. The output, depending on the date, hit F9, and you're going to see this thing change up. Here we have the output, which is Easter, Memorial Day, June, etc., etc. Our delimiter, the character string to be used as a delimiter between text strings. This can be, anything you want. Just enclose it in double quotes. Ignore empty, a logical value, true or false, that specifies whether to ignore empty cells in the range. A range, okay? And then text, the text string or cell reference to be joined. You can specify up to 252 text strings. So this thing can go all the way down to 252, or whatever that equivalent, 252 plus 4 is 259, 257. You just drag this down to 257 if you had 257 bits of data. For example, all right, this is just a poor example. We're going to use this as a real example. Other than that, that's it. As I said, you could concatenate this. The nice thing about this is you can put all kinds of stuff in here and mix it up. In cat, well, you really can't. It would be a nightmare trying to incorporate the cat function in here and with this if function. So yeah, great little tool. Again, just practice, practice, practice. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.